Hi friends, we are going to talk today about the thermodynamic aspects which are utilized by the biological system to maintain or to meet their energy requirements. And that's a fascinating aspect what biological systems modulate the way in which they utilize the energy supplies. So it's quite interesting to understand what are the thermodynamic aspects of biological system. So let us first understand something which is related to thermodynamics, and then we will try and correlate the thermodynamics principles with the biological system requirements. So let's talk about the basic concepts of thermodynamics. First thing is to understand the term that is called as system in thermodynamics. It is basically the area or the portion of the universe with which we are concerned with. Or in short, if we are talking about a microorganism, then we are going to restrict ourselves to the cellular aspect of the microorganism. So the concerned portion here will be the microorganism's cell. Second is the surrounding. Anything that lies outside the system that we are talking about, so consider a microorganism, anything that lies outside the body or the cell of a microorganism will be covered under the term surroundings. So that's why it is everything else except the system. Now there are different types of systems which are defined in thermodynamics. First is called as isolated system that cannot have energy exchange as well as matter exchange with the surrounding. Second is the closed system, which can have only energy exchange and no matter is exchanged between the closed system and its surroundings. And the third type is called as the open system, in which there is both energy as well as matter exchange that happens between the system and its surroundings. So to represent it in a graphical way, it is represented like this. It looks like this area in the sense that this is the isolated system in which there is no exchange of energy, neither there is exchange of matter with the surrounding, and it is associated or it is called as an isolated system. The second one is the closed system, in which there is only energy exchange with the surrounding and the matter is never exchanged between the system and its surroundings. The third type is the open system, with which mostly the organisms are more connected with. And an open system, there is an exchange of not only energy with the surrounding but also the matter exchange happens. Energy in thermodynamics majorly is associated with heat exchange, and that's why the term thermodynamics is